Hello students, in this video we will study about transportation in plants, chapter life process, class 10th biology. As we all know, plant takes carbon dioxide from atmosphere and convert it into carbohydrate as food in their leaves. Does plant only require carbon dioxide? No, they also require water and some mineral like nitrate, phosphate, etc. for building up their body. These water and mineral are absorbed by the root of plant which are in close contact with soil. But the question is, does only leaves of the plant require food or only root require water and mineral? No. Complete body or the entire body part of the plant require food, water and mineral. So plant need to transport these things from one body part to another. This transportation in plant is depend upon distance, as if the plant is smaller and distance for transportation is shorter, the process of diffusion is enough to transport. But when plant become taller and distance become longer, the process of diffusion is not enough. Plant needs some system by which they can transport things from one part of the body to another which are in long distance. But plant can tolerate small little bit slower process of transportation as compared to animal, as their energy requirement is lesser than animal because they does not move in search of food or shelter. For the transportation in plant, there is system of conducting tissues which are also known as vascular bundle. These conducting tissues are called xylem and phloem. Xylem transport water and minerals from root to different part of the body, and phloem transport food from leaves to different part of the body. Transportation of water and mineral in plant body is done by xylem. Xylem is a tissue which transport water and mineral from root to different part of the body. Transportation by xylem does not require any energy. It can transport water and mineral only by some physical force. Does not require any energy. Transportation of water and mineral through xylem is only in one direction, that is upward. But xylem can transport water and mineral through or by two methods, that is root pressure and transpirational pull. First we will see root pressure. In root pressure, the cells of root which are in close contact with soil actively take up ions, due to which their osmotic gradient create as the concentration of ions inside the root increases, and to eliminate this difference, water from the soil start moving into the root. Due to this movement of water from soil to root creates a column that slowly pushed up water into the xylem in upward direction. But this method is not working in tall trees. This is uh, enough for only short distance transportation. For longer distance transportation, there is another method, that is transpirational pull. Transpiration is a method in which is a process in which plant lose the water in the form of vapor through stomata. When water is releasing out of plant body through stomata in the form of vapor, it creates suction. It creates a negative pressure which pulls water from root to upper part of the plant body, so that water can transport from root to upper part of the tall trees. Transport of food and other substances, which is done by phloem. Phloem transport food from leaves to different part of the body, but transportation in phloem is transportation by phloem is in both direction. As in spring season, phloem transport food from root to upper part of the plant body, because plant in the spring season plants shed their leaves and there is no process of photosynthesis, so the phloem can transport food from the storage organ like root to different part of the plant body. Transportation by phloem require energy unlike xylem, and it can transport in both direction as I told you. Mechanism of transportation by phloem. In phloem, first sucrose from leaves and start entering into the phloem and increase osmotic pressure. To reduce the pressure, water from adjacent xylem start entering into the phloem. This increases pressure inside phloem, and to reduce this pressure, substances inside phloem start moving to the part of plant which has less pressure, like growing leaves, growing tips, growing buds, fruits, flowers, etc. In this way, substances can transported by phloem from source to sink. Now difference between xylem and phloem. First, xylem transport water and mineral, phloem transport food. Xylem transport in only one direction, that is upward. Phloem transport in both the direction, upward and downward. Transportation by xylem does not require any energy, while transportation by phloem require energy. Here we have finished our topic transportation in plants. Next, our topic will be excretion. So keep making notes, keep studying, and yes, if you like this video, like and subscribe my channel also. Thank you.